All right, so for today's lesson, we're going to take a look at identifying solids from two-dimensional views. All right, so in our last lesson, we actually drew them based on the two-dimensional views of the left, right side, left, right, top, bottom. But now we're going to look at identifying them. So our learning target today, I can identify three-dimensional solids giving a two-dimensional view. All right, so looking at this first one, so looking at our activity here, this is what we're going to be doing is looking at it. So the views are bottom. So thinking about these solids here, I have a rectangular prism, cube, square, pyramid, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Which solids are going to have a view where the bottom is square? All right, so we know a rectangular prism is going to have a square bottom. We know that a cube is going to have a square bottom, and we know that a square pyramid is going to have a square bottom. So that's essentially all we are doing for this lesson here. All right, I'm gonna slide on over to the next one. So here, right, so we're looking at a right view. So looking here, it says right. All right, so looking at the solids, from a right view, which one of these solids is going to have a right view of a triangle? So we know a rectangular prism is not, a cube is not, a square-based pyramid is, and a cone is going to. All right, so thinking of that right view and thinking of the shapes. All right, now I want you to try this next one on your own. All right, so we have a view, which is the bottom view, and it is asking us which one of these shapes would have a bottom view of a circle. All right, so taking a look here, bottom view of a circle, we would have a cylinder, a sphere, and a cone. All right. For the next slide, they're giving us two. So we're looking at the top and from the front. So looking at the top of the shape and looking from the front, which one is going to give us a top view of a circle and a front view of a rectangle? Again, you can always go back and reference your notes from yesterday looking at the different views. But looking here, we're going to have a cylinder. So think about, the net of a cylinder. So if we look at the net of a cylinder, sorry, my screen is being very crazy. We know that the net of a cylinder looks something like this. It's not drawn to scale. So we look at the top, you see a circle. When you look from the front, you see a rectangle. All right, now let's look at it when we have a left view of a triangle and a bottom view of a square. All right, so I'm looking from the left, I get a triangle. Looking from the bottom, I get a square, and that is going to be a square pyramid. All right, so remember square pyramid, thinking of the net of a square pyramid. And again, mine is not drawn to scale, and I'm not an artist whatsoever, so I do apologize. We can see here from the left, we get a triangle, and from the bottom we get a square. All right, now I want you to try this one on your own. All right, I have a bottom view of a circle and I have a top view of a circle. So I want you to select the solid or solids that have a bottom view and top view of a circle. All right, so looking here, we have cylinder, sphere, and cone. All right. Now we're just going to answer a few questions, all right? So looking here, guessing the solid, it said the bottom view of the solid is a circle. The bottom view of the solid is a circle. Which solid could this be? All right, so thinking in terms of what we just did, solids that have a bottom view of a circle, we said are cylinders, spheres, and cones. All right. The front view of the same solid is a triangle. Which could this be? So between a cylinder, sphere, and a cone, which one would have a front view of a triangle? That would be a cone. All right, number 2 says the left view of a solid is a rectangle. What could this be? All right, so thinking in terms of which solids have a left view of a rectangle, we have cylinder, or prism. So thinking of a rectangular prism, It says the back view of the same solid is also a rectangle. Which could this be? So again, looking at the back view, we still again have a cylinder or prism. All right. Now it says the bottom view of the solid is a rectangle. Which solid could this be? So looking at cylinder or prism, we know that this is going to be a rectangular prism. So this is kind of similar to guess that shape. All right. Moving on to 3 and 4. All right, so I want you to take a second and answer these questions. So for number 3, it gives you the bottom view of the solid is a square with additional information, and then the same for number 4. All right, so let's take a look here. It says the bottom view of a solid is a square. What solid could this be? So we can say that this is a square pyramid or potentially a square pyramid. A square prism, or cube. All right. What additional information would you need to determine the type of solid? And again, we've gotten a view from the top, but we would need to know a side view. So the additional information would be a side view. All right, so now it's saying if the front view of a solid is a triangle, which of these solids could it be? All right, so we know that a pyramid and a cone have a front view of a solid, or excuse me, have a front view of a triangle. So a pyramid or cone. All right, to determine which of these we would need to know the bottom view. The bottom, we would need to know the bottom view in order to determine whether it's a pyramid or a cone. All right, looking at number 5, it said use the views to identify the solids. So here we have a triangle, and a square. So looking here, we know that we have a square pyramid. All right, so now we're looking at the net. So it says use the net to identify the solid and then sketch these specific views, all right? So looking here, we have a rectangle and 2 circles. So we know that the solid is a cylinder. And we know if we're looking at the bottom view of a cylinder, we're just going to have a circle. Doing the exact same thing for number 7. We're given here 3/4 of a circle, and we're giving an entire circle. So looking here, we're going to have a cone. And the bottom, excuse me, the right view. I apologize. So this should definitely say right view. So we're going to look at the right view, and the right view would be a triangle. All right. Looking next, we see that we have a net, another net. So looking here, if we were to fold this up, we would have a square base pyramid or a square pyramid. All right, and instead of looking at the bottom view, I apologize about that. I guess I just copied bottom view instead of looking at the actual views. Let's look at the top view. So we know the top view would be a square, which we know the bottom view would also be a square as well. All right, and looking at the last example, number 9, instead of looking at the bottom view, we're going to look at the front view. All right, so I want you to pause the video, and I want you to tell me the solid, and I want you to tell me the front view. All right, so looking here at this solid, the solid is a cube. If I could spell cube correctly, that would be great. And we know the front view would be a square. All right, so now it is time for you to summarize what you've learned from today's lesson.